Good afternoon, YouTube. We're back with the sailboat, and I've got it flipped over, and we have a substantial repair that needs to be done there for sure. And just to reiterate, yes, I would like to learn how to sail, but if this boat turns out to be unsuitable for repair, then we'll move on. But so we have a few, probably gonna need some fiberglass there.
Hello, YouTube.
That's my helper, my grandson Paige. Looks like I'll have plenty of boat to practice on. Well, here we are. I got the aluminum panels that were on the bottom off. And here's what we're left with. Kind of something like what happened to the USS Minnow. It's a pretty big hole. Looks like it goes out. Madness. Pure madness.